Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back with our Numpy series. So, alright, we've been poking around a while with Numpy. Now let's really get into something that I think is, well, I think it's pretty cool. So, alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one video subject at a time. We have it searchable so you can continue to come back and look at these. And also we have videos coming out all the time, so please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're not missing anything. So alright, let's just create an array right here for a second. So a range, so go to 10. So alright, and let's just go ahead and reshape it. And let's go 2 by 5. So, alright. Okay. Let's put this into memory. So here we go. So, alright. So now, actually, let's leave this way for a second so I can show you, because what we're going to do is we're going to learn about the Tolist method. So there we go. So you might say, well, why do we need a method when we can just wrap this with our list function? Well, it works great for a one-dimensional or a flat array. But when we use reshape, when we have a multi-dimension, 2 by 5, close that out, bring this in. So then here we go. So now when we do list, we have a list of 2 arrays. So we got type. So now let's look and see what help on x.tolist does. Okay. Nested lists. So here we go. When we use, but when we use our Tolist, it converts every array into a list. So there we are. So then I go list.tolist. Boom, I get a list of our 2 lists. So this is a wonderful example of how powerful Numpy is, and I remember when I ran across it, how much I fell in love with it, because it had so many things that I had been trying to do and I couldn't believe that I hadn't heard about it yet. So alright, there we go, guys. Real quick video today on a very powerful method from Numpy, the Tolist method. So please drop any comments, questions, any video requests, any methods or function that I haven't gotten to yet that you don't quite get, that you need our kind of explanation of it. And please, as always, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.